What the fuck? Well, welcome to another Aggreko Friday Night Hockey game as we take on Longchamps Sons. Team that has been very good over the past year or so. A difficult team for us to face. How's the plans? Good poke check, Paul.
What's up, Mike? Dale, do you have my skates in your bag?
Your skates?
Yeah.
I don't.
His blade is broken in half, Tyler.
Who's this? Tyler's? Oh, Jesus Christ. There we go, Paul. Have one. Good low shot. We'll take that. All right, well, let's see how Tyler does on a broken skate, apparently. This ought to be interesting. Scrambling. Throw it in front. There we go. Hey, nice setup. Great pass, Mike. Ties it up right away. All right, well, I guess Tyler is off to try and get his skate fixed. Let's see if he's been able to do so. Might have gone to the pro shop or something. I don't know that there's anyone there here in the summer. Good shot on. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Nice setup. Here we go, Eric. Oh, keep skating! Another good look. There you go, Evan. Oh, nice save.
Somebody from the ice? I'll go, Evan. Like that leg save.
Yeah. Nice shot, Mike. We'll take that. Well, it looks like he's got a different skate on. But I doubt they're the same size, which may make the feel be a little bit odd. We'll see how he does. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Force him wide here, Dan. Nice save. Hell of a job. 100 behind you.
Oh, I would have shit myself on that one.
Good shot.
It might have been mine.
I feel like I can't turn. In my head, I'm like, oh, this is easy.
I feel like that's a mark
turn, like.
Hey, I have that same problem in my head. So
You find another skate somewhere? No? Oh boy.
The blade.
You got a new blade?
No.
Oh, you didn't get a blade.
You're playing with a shit
Didn't
blade?
work?
My
Play with
was
me.
the same size.
Alright.
Well,
Yeah, so it's like I tried to turn around that guy, which typically is like
No problem.
a no-brainer, and I just kept fucking like, wouldn't turn. Like,
Alright.
it's interesting.
Yep. You're still the best one on the team, so.
I just look like the guy who goes
Right
way
turn
too
only,
hard
right
but can't
turn
skate.
Just don't tell them that, okay?
Oh, good turnover here. There you go, Michael. Good backhand shot on. Nicely done. Good shot on again. Woo! Oh, Evan. Good shot. Rebound again. Wouldn't go. We're creating chances, though. I like it. There we go. Pete, drive right in.
Let it go.
Under you!
Well, I can't believe that stayed out. At least until we got the no goal call. Take a look. There we go, Mike. Oh, off the post. Paul on the prowl. Looking for the wraparound. Oh, not quite.
I think I'll do a wraparound.
Good look, though. The fancy Paul wraparound. Patent pending. Oh, no! Eric. Two looks at a puck open in front and we can't score. Good shot, Paul. Oh. Oh, couldn't quite shovel it home.
That was beautiful.
Good luck. Can't believe that one. Couple of lucky saves moving to my right tonight. Oh, nice job. That's right. Good save. And we knock home a rebound in front. Nice job, Mike. Oh, using the screen to pick the corner. My goodness, what a shot. Here we go, Pete. Oh! Of course, the stick saved. And that's the second. All right.
Nice save, Caleb, that period.
Yeah.
Nice job.
A little scorpion action. A little leather flash.
Keep it going.
It's a good little hockey game we got going on.
Oh, yeah,
I can just imagine.
The shots, Caleb.
I can just imagine how hard that shot would have been with 2 good blades. He's gonna be right in the back of the ankle. How do you need to
off the defenseman's stick. Nice pass in front of the goal. Well done. Good shot right on, Evan. Hit him right in the plums, but good shot nonetheless. He's still jamming him up. Interference. Uh-oh.
You gotta keep it.
Good poke check. Now drive in and have a shot. Oh, did it squeeze in? The change up. Set it up, set it up. That was just great passing right there. How about that? One side of the ice to the other, back and forth, tapping. That might be the best goal we've scored in a long time. Good takeaway, Eric. Nice block. Still in front.
Just tipped it enough to get. Nice play, Caleb. I just tipped it enough to fuck it up.
It was good.
Nice play, brother.
Whoa! They all three went down like a pile of bricks. We're getting pucks on net tonight. That's been really good for us. 3 goals in the third period to pull away. Nice performance down the stretch from the shooters. Oh, sounded like it hit somebody in the mask. Nice job. Nice job.
Caleb.
Nice job.
Talk to you.
Good game, guys.
Good game, buddy.
Nice job.